Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Elasticsearch plugin. Now using this particular plugin, the OpenCart web store admin will be able to integrate the Elasticsearch engine within his web store. Now you will be able to store your entire product catalog on the server where you have installed the Elasticsearch and can provide your customers with advanced search and autocomplete suggestions for your web store. Kindly note that the Elasticsearch is a highly scalable open source full text search engine. It allows you to store, search and then analyze big volumes of data very quickly. It is the fastest search engine that returns the results of the entered query in real time. Kindly note, before installing this particular plugin, the Elasticsearch engine must be installed on the server and must be running, and the Elastic version should be version number 7 there. Now on the other hand, on the storefront, what happens is that the customers can make use of the Elasticsearch for making the fastest search within your OpenCart web store. They'll be able to make use of the search suggestion, full keyword search, description search, category based search, manufacturer based search, information and tag based search on your store there using the search bar there on your OpenCart web store itself. So in today's video tutorial, I'll just be taking you through the different searching options that the customers can make use of. So the very first one that I'll be taking you through is the search suggestion. So for example, I'm typing here IPE, and here you can see that I'm being given the search suggestion for the entered keyword there, whether it's an iPhone or an iPod Classic there. Now before proceeding further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So this was about the search suggestion. Now we'll be seeing the full keyword search. So for that, I'll be entering the full keyword. So if I type in iPod, we'll be able to see the full keyword search there, and the particular products with the iPod there would be visible, and we can navigate to any of those products there. Now we have the description search. So for example, if I go to the iPod Nano, here you can see that here we have the description there. Now if I go ahead and if I copy this particular description from here and tap here and paste it, we'll be able to see, for example, the particular product within this within which this particular description is there. So here you can see that it's a small iPod with one big idea, and here the topmost result is iPod Nano. So if we tap on that, we'll be redirected to the particular product within whose description this particular text was there. So it's here it's the smallest iPod with the one very big idea there. So this was about how we can search the products using the description there. We can also do the category based search. For example, if I go to the search bar here and I type in electronics, then all of the related categories of the electronics would be displayed here, as you can see with the option there that says related categories, as you can see there. Then we can also search the products using what we say as the manufacturers. So for example, if I enter Apple, we'll be able to search for the Apple products there. I can tap here on the Apple, and the particular Apple products would then be listed here as per the requirement there. We can also do the information based search as well. So for example, if I enter about, so here you can see that the about us section is being shown here under the information section, and if I tap on about us, we'll be taken to the about us page of the website there itself. Now let me go to the back. Now apart from the information based search, we can also do a tag based search. So for example, if I enter a tag name like sport, then the particular tag based products would be displayed. So here we can see the sport watch. The sport watch is having the tag that's the sport there, and that's why it's being displayed here under the results there after we have entered the sport word within the search bar there. So here you can see that I had entered sport. Now let's go back. So that's how basically this particular thing works. That's the Elasticsearch, and it allows you to what we say as it allows the customers to make use of the fastest search within your store, and they are able to do a fastest search there within the store there, as I've already shown you. Now let me show you the configuration settings there for the Elasticsearch index management. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend panel. Now kindly note that after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you will get the Elasticsearch option here on the side panel. For the initial configuration settings, you can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video there, and within that user guide you can check how we can initially configure the particular plugin by navigating through extensions, then Elasticsearch, and the rest of the options there that we get. Now under the Elasticsearch here, the admin will do the indexing for the Elasticsearch. The admin can add, edit and delete the indexes for the products, categories, manufacturers and information there. So here you can see that we can select any of the indexes and we can tap here on the delete button. We can edit any of the indexes that we have already created for the product, category, manufacturer or the information section. You can also update the particular indexes by tapping here on the refresh button, and that would successfully re-index all of the products there. Same goes for the categories, manufacturers and information there. So to add an index, what you have to do is you have to click here on the add new button, and that brings up the Elasticsearch index add section, as you can see. So here the very first option that we have is the index name, and here every character must be a lowercase, and also a predefined index prefix, that is elastic_oc_search is added before the index name to make every field unique from each other. So here you can set up the index name as per your own requirement there. Then we have the index type, so you can choose index type as products, categories, manufacturers or information as per your own requirement there. Then we have the number of shards here, and this is the ability to subdivide your index into multiple pieces. So you can set your number of shards here. It must be in the numeric value there. Then we have the number of replicas. So basically if the node is holding a primary shard dies, then a replica is promoted to the role of the primary one. So here you can set up the replica, the number of replicas there. And lastly we have the status of this particular index, so you can choose it as enabled or disabled as per your own requirement. And thereafter you can tap here in the save button. That particular Elasticsearch index would be saved. So you can create 4 different types of search Elasticsearch indexes, that is product, category, manufacturer and information there, and you can edit, update or delete them as per your own requirement there as well. So yes, that was much about the OpenCart Elasticsearch plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow at the storefront and the backend configuration there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.